Your refrigerator runs 24/7, but small daily mistakes can quietly damage it. Here are 10 refrigerator mistakes that shorten your appliance's life. Overloading blocks airflow and forces the compressor to work harder. Leave space so cold air can circulate properly. Blocking vents causes uneven cooling and extra strain on internal parts. Always keep vents clear. Every door opening releases cold air, making the compressor work overtime. Plan what you need before opening. Hot food raises internal temperature and stresses the cooling system. Let food cool down first. A dirty or loose gasket lets cold air escape, forcing longer run times. Clean it regularly. Extremely low settings don't cool better, they overload the compressor. Use recommended temperature levels. Excess ice reduces cooling efficiency and strains the motor. Defrost when ice becomes visible. Poor ventilation traps heat and reduces performance. Always allow proper clearance. Dirt and spills affect cooling and cause bad odors. Clean shelves and back coils periodically. Unusual noises or weak cooling shouldn't be ignored. Early checks prevent major repairs. Take care of your refrigerator and it will serve you for years. For expert advice and trusted appliances, visit Aditya Retail.